welcome back to a vlog. I have to film it on my iPhone because my GoPro it fucking froze. It fucking froze. But yeah, I finally got the part to fix my exhaust leak. Hopefully it fits, because it doesn't look like it'll fit, but I think it will. It should. Maybe. It's from the full race website that they made all the shit. Oh, here's the gasket. Oh my god, the trunk is dirty as fuck. But yeah, here's all the washers and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to put that on and see if I can fix my dumbass GoPro, and then yeah, so the quality will be better. Yeah, so I'm gonna jack it up and then I'm gonna do this thing. So I took off the piece that came with it. There's like 3 pieces to the full race exhaust. So this is like the first piece pretty much they put on. Oh, excuse me. Oh fuck. But yeah, this is what I had to use. That's what I had to use to put everything on. Oh, I found it on my phone still. Oh yeah, so everything's on. I'll show y'all right now. So you have to do this. So that's a full 3-inch. So the flange for this. Ow! My bracelet. So yeah, so see, that's the piece right there where it connects to a 2.5, and it goes on to 3, and it connects right there. And yep, that's pretty much it. And it's not leaking no more. Finally fixed the leak, boys. But I just gotta fucking tighten the test pipe right there to the donut, and then it will be perfect. I could get retuned, or I could get tuned again, or I could actually data log better now without the leak, because I think I was data logging with a exhaust leak. So yeah, so I'm gonna tighten it and then we'll go on for a ride. Alright, so this is pretty much after I put everything on. This is the ride. See how everything is. Hopefully y'all can see. Let's go. Yeah, well, I drove it already. I drove to my uncle's house, so it's pretty nice. It's not loud at all anymore, like how it used to be. It sounds good. Like, obviously it's not like there's no fucking leak now. Go to a little car meet for y'all. See if there's any good car meets. There's car meets yesterday, fucking trash, bruh. Yeah, my pipe came in yesterday too. I wanted to put it in yesterday, but fuck, I had stuff to do. So yeah, we're gonna go to yeah, it's just a little car meet. You guys can hear my car. There you go. It sounds way different from the other videos, bro. Or from the other cruise video. Oh, definitely sounds different. I don't know if just for me, but definitely sounds different. Cops. I definitely can smell my car. Gotta spray PB blaster on it. I can smell the PB blaster, bro. It should stink, boy. Because for me to put the pipe, because the pipe goes inside. Oh, pause. But yeah, it goes inside. Like the pipe goes inside, so then I had to like, you know, give it. I should have did. I should have plugged in my Honda while I was fucking at the other place. God damn it. Is it popping here? Oh, I see an FG2 though. Signal, bro. What is he talking about? He signaled when he was in the lane. When he was staying in the lane. When he was not even moving in the lane. What, you saying Taco Bell or McDonald's? McDonald's. This will be always come. You guys always come here.
What we do here is go back.